Hi, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I'll be giving young men and women advice that are trying to find love. I'll be giving young women and men that are trying to find love some advice, you know what I mean? So I'll give women advice. So women have an abundance of men. You know, men want to smell, so like they come in. So a woman, if you're a young woman out there, you're going to have an abundance of men. You're going to have a lot of options. Whole heap of man in our midfield. You know? So what I want to say to the young women out there, when you find a man and he's giving you 80% of what you're looking for in a relationship, don't give away that 80%, man, to find the 20% that he's not giving you. Because you're going to go over to that man that's only giving you 20%. You know? That you've been missing. So be wise and be focused on that. So that's the only advice. I don't feel like, as a man, I feel like women should give women advice when it comes to these things. And men should give men advice. You know, advice that I'd give young men. Bro, get your funds up, you know. It all comes back to that, bro. You know, because the more options you got, is the more chances you have to find love, you know. So get your funds up, bro. Work on you. Become a better person. Become wiser. Eat healthy. Exercise. You know. And them things. That's the advice that I'd give men. Stop smoking. Stop drinking so much. I'm not saying you can't smoke or drink, but kind of balance it out. Detox your body, bro. Be healthy. The better you can be. You have to be in a relationship with you first. That is an overall advice. You have to be in a relationship with you before, and you have to love yourself and treat yourself good before you can love anybody and treat anybody good. You know, so love on yourself first, treat yourself and all of that. Be the best you that you can be for the partner. Okay? Yeah. So that's my advice that I'd give to young men and women, you know. If I think of more, I'll tell you, okay? But I'm gonna eat my lunch now because I haven't eaten anything all morning. You know? Yeah. Thumbs up. YouTube. What's popping? So it's the evening time now, right? And I'm out here on the vlogs. Just walking around. Yeah, I remember when I was younger, I used to be like fire burn Valentine's Day and them things. You know what I mean? But as I got older and more open-minded, they'd be like, it's just a day, bro, and it's not going nowhere. Mr. Valentine's is gay. You shouldn't really support gay holidays because you're not gay. It's like, does it really even matter? If your girl wants to, if you have a girl and she wants to celebrate Valentine's Day, like, just to make her happy, I'd buy her some flowers. But it's not. It's just a day. It's like, if you had show love right throughout the year and not just on one day, but it don't really be making a difference, you know. It's just a day. You can just buy some roses and all of that. I don't know if I should go for a walk. Go for a walk outside. Show you the traffic that's happening and all of that. Right now. Okay? Aleko, Lyttle on the YouTube. I'm a vlogger, bro. I'm going for a little walk. The traffic out here look nasty. The truck is coming. What that sound like a fire truck. You know, a lot happens in the evenings. Oh, see there. We fuck up the road there. Bro, you know what I like most about being single? My freedom, you know? Like I remember the last situationship, the last major situationship I was in, and as soon as I left the situationship, I just feel free. Like, you know, I don't have to lie no more about even the little things, you know? I can go where I want. I don't have to tell nobody where I'm going. I can do whatever I want to do. I don't have to text nobody good morning. I don't have to fall asleep with nobody on the phone. You know, you just feel free. You understand? Yeah, freedom is a good thing. Enjoy your freedom, alright? Yeah, maybe because slavery days and all of that, like, I don't really want to. That's not the case. I don't think that's the case. But I really do enjoy my freedom. I can do whatever I want to do. I don't have nobody that I need to report to. Okay? These girls act like they're your mom or something. You're not my mom, okay? You shouldn't care about what I eat so much. Okay, you just care about it. You care about me, miss. You don't need to care about me and argue with me about what me eat. Like, I should eat what I want to eat. I'm a grown man, so I pay my own bills, okay? Yeah. I think I'm going to buy some almond at the supermarket. Some almond nuts. Yeah. Bro, it look like people carry out them Valentines. But TJ look full up. People be taking out their beloved. There's a lot of roses selling right here. They might money with bag of rose. Come on, move so. We're all in the middle road with it. Oh, easy. Oh, fuck now. They carry come over so on my side. I love me do that sometime, you know. Fuck. I be doing that sometimes when I'm coming up. And no car now come down, me just come over because me I go left, me I go right. You see me? So I need to stop doing that because I just could have met in an accident just now, you know? Or not. I should do what I want to do. Because I'm a grown man. I pay my own bills. Why the autofocus now work good times? That's my eyes, that's my face. Autofocus turn on, to me understand. Why it's not working properly? So I'm gonna tell you a love story. Tap, 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 tap. I wonder if you want me to tell you a love story. I guess. Alright, so once upon a time. Which love story I should tell you about now? I had this girl that I really liked. There's a lot of girls that I really liked. And it never worked out. It is what it is. I gotta work on a man. Oh, the traffic's so crowded still, bro. Fuck a on. Time nearly 7:40, 45 now. And the traffic looks so. Fuck. Bro, I'm seeing people like driving by just to the nines, going on dates, bro. That must be nice. Yo, no understand why a girl feel sad. No understand why girls feel sad whenever like Valentine's Day and them not have nobody for like carry them out because everybody's going out. You know, everybody is showing their appreciation for their significant other. Nobody not showing no appreciation for them, so them kind of feel left out. Me personally, bro, I am single by choice, to be honest. You know? And a while ago I was reading something like, when I get home I read it, why you don't need a girlfriend. Yeah. And maybe that would be the title for this video. Why you don't need a girlfriend, bro. That's gonna be too harsh, you know. That's gonna be insensitive. I'm not gonna title the video that, because you know some girls they be needing, you know. And what is a person out there? So I'll go across. Like not even. You can never go soon. They look nice. Now I wonder if it's a hardy, bro. I wonder if it's a hardy. Need fair jump out of dog. Put your mind to it still, nothing is impossible. You know, from a younger age, a lot of people always believe in me. Yeah, even girls that talk, them normally say, yo bro, you're gonna be great. You're gonna be a great man. But them normally, they log on for some other niggas. Well, it is what it is. Yo, bro, tonight feel active, you know, bro. Like, what can I do tonight? Fuck. Need to make more friends, you know. I think I do got a lot of friends. You know, some people like to say they don't have a lot of friends. Well, I have a lot of friends. I just don't hang out with them as much as I should. because I'll be busy doing other things. Yeah. But the night feel active. You know, I got the Rastaman vibrations because I be meditating and all of that. So I can feel like the energy in the atmosphere and it feels good. You see me? I can feel it. I can feel the energy feel good in the atmosphere. You know? So I think I should go somewhere tonight. Just chill and have a drink. But maybe not. We'll see what happens. I'm just gonna go buy the banana, the almond nuts, and then go home and make some protein shake and eat some almonds and drink my shake and then see what happens. But the night feel live. Is a much like my nose. So these are what I got at the supermarket. Some bananas and the almonds over here. I bought one of this because I haven't had this in a long while, bro, from primary school. Some chocolate and some cookies. Some chocolate chip cookies, you know. Test them out real quick and make you know I want. So that's that. And now I'm on my way home. Hi, what's up, YouTube? How you doing? How are you doing this morning? So yesterday was Valentine's Day, and I didn't have a Valentine, and I was feeling a little bit sad about it. But today is a different day. And right now I'm going to the gym. Today is posterior day, so it's all about the back, lower back, and them places they work on your posture, sir, and your foot, like, because I still got knot knees, and the coach says he's going to straighten my knot knees, but they're not straightened as yet. So that's part of what I'm going to work on today, my posture. Maybe I'll get taller. Right now I'm 5'9". I kind of feel taller than 5'9". When I'm wearing shoes, I feel like I'm 5'10", really. So maybe when I straighten my legs and my back and everything, and I get my posture right, I will be 5'11", you know, or 6 feet. Who knows? We'll see. All right, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and good morning. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Your day's going well. Even though you're gonna see this, probably, you know, whatever. Life is what you make it, though. It's how you react to life, you know. Trouble out here. Yeah. You don't know, Rastaman, just a forward off a gym shirt, wet, soak. Today was amazing though, I like today. I work on my back. I did a lot of deadlifts and the back machine thing, that was awesome. And what else I did? I do some curls, because every day is upper body day, because my upper body is weak. So every day is upper body day. Me and the 30 pounds, they're my best friends. 30 pounds, just curling them. Even though I can't really manage them. Like, I manage them up to like, I manage them well up to like 5 reps. And then I should do 8 reps. 8 times 8. So 8 reps 8 times. But when I reach 5 reps is when I start it. Like the next 3 I start struggling. You know? But that's good. It's building the muscles. You know what I mean? Yeah, what else did I do that I like today? I did the abs. I really like the abdominal workout that I did today. I really enjoyed the deadlifts, and I enjoyed the back machine thing. That's all that I did. It's crazy. You sometimes you do some small things, like it's a circuit type of thing, and it went, yeah, that's about a one. Yeah. So I did everything 8 times 8. You know, and it went for over an hour. That's nice. It's amazing. Yeah, so I'm gonna go home now, have some lunch. I already made my meal prep in my fridge. I'm just gonna microwave it, and I'll have that for lunch, and then chill for a bit. Maybe I'll go link up a girl. Who knows? Hi, hey YouTube. You know what I learned from yesterday? Valentine's Day is that it's not going nowhere. To say you don't celebrate Valentine's Day is like you're saying, yo, you don't celebrate Christmas. It's like a public holiday right now. If you look into it. If you're looking at it, it's like a holiday that people celebrate love for their significant others, you know? It's not going nowhere. When I was younger, we used to say, yo, we burn fire on Valentine's Day because you're a Rasta man, and, you know, Mr. Valentine's was gay, and he's a gay holiday But it's not going nowhere, bro. Like for thousands of years to come, Valentine's is gonna be Valentine's Day, you know? So now that I'm older and more open minded, if I had a partner, I would have done something special, you know? Yeah, and maybe when I get a partner, maybe next year, I'm gonna do something special, you know? Maybe fingers crossed. Whatever. But that's what I wanted to say. Valentine's not going nowhere. So to say you don't celebrate Valentine's Day is like saying you don't celebrate Christmas. Or you don't, kinda. It kinda like it's not going nowhere. Yeah? Yeah. Bro, you know what's another weird thing? I've bought a suitcase full of clothes and shoes, and I've yet to wear anything in it. I bought them in October of 2021, and I've yet to wear anything in that suitcase. That's crazy. But it do be like that sometimes. Maybe this weekend. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see what happens. Yeah. My dog say him can't see no sun when him look up. Him can't see no barber, him there jail bush up. And him can't eat the food a sick stomach. Hi YouTube. So right now, I'm going to Knoxford to pick up some stuff. Come back real quick, okay? So let's do this. Hey baby, let me take you to dinner. Let me take you to dinner, baby. Holla at me. So right now I'm on my way to the gym now. Today probably be cordy, a whole lot of abs and them thing. Now I'm belly ready for that, dad. Just drink my protein shake. Hopefully it's not. Hopefully like we do some upper body today, like some pull-ups on the bar. Even though I don't really like the pull-ups on the bar, but let's see what happens. Trouble. So YouTube, right now I'm off to the gym. And it's 9:32 and I should have been there from 9 o'clock. It's crazy. I don't know why I'm this. Well, I know why. I went to a party last night. And it was a vibe. Yeah. And just now I was thinking about girls that I've been with, bro. And I've realized that I've been with some beautiful women in my life. And I'm a lucky man to have experienced all of that, you know? And I get some of the best girls I shouldn't even say that because none of them ever really work out. So is none of them the best girls? I get some of the better ones when the car just push off fast in the dog. Tell them them both Benz in the dog. It just fast. You see me? What I was saying, so like I remember when a girl, she's a video vixen. What little vibes, you know? And the thing is that you never really appreciate them when you have them. It's like sometimes when they're gone, is when you reminisce and I say, yo, Jano. That's a nice car. It's like you reminisce and I say, yo, Jano. That girl that did have it, you know. Her thing did good, you know. Shut up. I wonder if I can get it back. But I appreciate in my opinion, it's a lot of processing to get back it, you know. We don't really want to go through. Probably you just move on to some new things. Yeah. I go through them process to get back that. Because you've been there before. You know what I mean? Yeah, so that's my talk for the day. I'm on the way to the gym, I'm late. But today is going to be great because life is what you make it, okay? Like, comment, subscribe. We're out here. Peace. Yes, I'm just left in from the gym. Today was hectic. Good. Hour and a half today. Be hard work. It's like coach what from when? From Monday? It's like I don't know if coach saw one of my videos where I'm saying him training soft or what. But the aggressor give me be hard work from week, bro. But more will come in it. Because I'm working on my summer body, okay? Yeah. I'm working on my guns. And them thing there. Yeah. Ooh. So I'm gonna go home now, take a shower. And clean up because we never know where the night may take us. Last night I went to a party. It was nice. Maybe tonight I'll go to another party. You know what I mean? Yeah. You can't move weak to the flesh or buy ear and buy nails, bro. Yeah. And I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm on my way to the gym today. Today is Thursday. I've been going hard this week, so I'm expecting today that I'm gonna go hard as well. I'm not afraid. I'm ready for it. You see, after a while, bro, it's just numb to the. You know, really like your muscles. So develop now. It's not really a challenge. It's a challenge. You know what I mean? You feel the workout, but you're not preying up like you used to. You know. So today I'm gonna go in and do what I'm supposed to do and just come back home. Yeah. And do the do. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're out here. Peace. It's a whole week of hard work. You see me? Yeah. Today dangerous. See, it's like the coach says my body get used to the training. So you just go hard. Right now I'm under pressure. Do some new arm workout today. It did nice still, but I'm not used to it as yet. It's hard on me, but I'm getting there. Yeah, I'm gonna go home now, take a shower, get some lunch, chill, because tomorrow is my rest day. So I'll be resting. I'll probably go to the hairdresser today. Or maybe tomorrow. My hair grow out fast. That's crazy. Baby, I know my life can get so crazy, but as long as you're right here, ain't nothing can stop us. Ain't no blockers. I wanna love you with no fears. And we can do this thing together if you close your eyes and you take my hand. Cause what we have is something special, baby. Let's just take our chance. Yeah. So right now I'm gonna go to the ear. I'm gonna get lunch first and then I'll go to the hairdresser. Get some fresh cornrows. I'm gonna do the same thing like this. Just skin or ketchup. I don't know why I do that all the time. Bro, it's just more convenient. People like when my hair twists, but I only twist my hair on like special occasion, like birthdays and like for Christmas and stuff like that, because it's hard to deal with. When the hair twist, it's hard to deal with. So I get some lunch now and then. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, okay? We're out here. We only getting older, baby. And does it ever drive you crazy? Just how fast the night changes. So stop here. Last time I come here, I got some jerk chicken. You know, and it was amazing. So I came here again to get some more. Live life. My boyfriend a spy. Run home for your watch pussy and a good style. Yes, I came here to get some jerk chicken. Last time I come here, the chicken was nice. Yeah, the pepper in it and everything. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna be late for the hairdresser, but it is what it is, bro. She'll understand. I'm starving. Yeah, so I got food. They didn't have any jerk chicken, so I got curry goat. And I don't know if you can see what's going on here, but the curry goat is looking scrimdelicious. Steamed vegetable and some cooked food. No dumpling, because dumplings, who eats dumplings? And then you have some. I never think I had this one before. Guava carrot. I'm gonna try it out, see what it's all about, and let you know, okay? Yeah. I'm kind of late for my hairdresser appointment, but it is what it is. No. Of
course, you're on the vlog.
I'm late, alright?
Yeah.
So now you're pretty like.
Yeah. Pretty, yeah.
I don't know it looks so pretty today, maybe.
I don't know.
You look prettier today than last time, huh?
Extra pretty. Extra pretty.
Oh, jokes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Getting it done.
Look. See, man, I need sugar.
Getting it done. So what you doing now? You wanna explain?
Huh?
You wanna explain to the people what you're doing now?
Yeah, hair is wet
Yeah,
and it is soft with conditioner,
yeah.
so it can be easily pulled out. No pain, no ache.
Okay. Nah, man.
Soft and easy to comb out. Yeah.
Yeah. You're long alive?
Yes, it's pretty. Long ear, Baba.
I mean,
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Nisha Island Vibes, castor oil, all natural hair types, spatula. Clean and all that, fresh. Ready for you. I might just go out this weekend, have a drink. That done quick though, since it blew. Like about half an hour or so, or less. Probably 20 minutes. Straight. Me and boss a line up, you know. And some more. See me? Alright? I like.
Looking like a handsome young man again. Ooh. Nice looking line up, you know. If the scissors off, look a bit of this. Neat me up. It's gonna say boom. See him, don't touch him more, it's growing. See me the scissors him up. Neat him up, alright? I have to touch road this weekend, you know, bro. Anyway, the vibes there. There, me there. I feel good. Maybe not. Maybe I'll stay in this weekend. Maybe. So I'm gonna get a lineup now, go home and play some game. Some Warframe. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. You seriously that behind me right here? It's somebody. I don't know nobody. It's crazy. Trouble. Yo, I need to be more social. People say I'm quiet, but I don't know. I'm not quiet. To me, I'm not quiet. I just speak to people like who I know. Speak and spoken to type of thing. You see me? Yeah. But I need to talk more. I need to be more outgoing. Because sometimes I'll be seeing some bad little vibes. And I'm not saying nothing. I want to say something, but I'm not saying nothing. So they won't know, you know? Yeah, I'm going to my barber now. It's nearby on South Avenue. South Avenue. Get a line and then shop going fast.
Yeah. Just got it lined up. Look clean again. Up and running. Paul cut off my stash. Still, I never want him to do that, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm free for the weekend, baby. Give me a call, okay? Let me come pick you up, take you out. Yeah, good morning. Morning, everybody. Right now I'm gonna go to the Knoxford, pick up some stuff. Before I do that, I want to tell you about my chest here and my guns, bro. They might not, on camera, they're not looking bigger, but they're getting bigger. I can see results from the gym. I'm just gonna go on the road now and then come back and make breakfast. Yeah. I don't like my lineup. I feel like the barber cut off my stash. I didn't want him to do that. Want my stash would, you get me? And he never scissors down the beard, but it's alright still. Leave me a like, comment, subscribe, okay? Yeah, I just got some mangoes. Yeah, 4 of them from the Rasta. The security over my apartment complex. Right? And if you know me, you know that mangoes are one of my favorite things in the whole wide world. Yeah, I really love mangoes a lot. And if my birthday is coming up, or if you want to get me a present, get me some mangoes. I'd really appreciate it, and I'd really appreciate you, okay? Yeah. Okay, so now I pick up my stuff, and now I'm heading home. Black. Yeah, I'm having a mango. Yo, I feel like in the future, if God is willing, and I have a family, and I buy mangoes, I feel like I'm gonna hide them from them, you know? That's how it is, because I don't share mangoes, okay? You can't get none of my mangoes, nigga. Hi, what's up, YouTube? So right now I'm gonna go ahead and get some jerk chicken. It's nighttime now. It's Friday. There's always a vibe. There's always a vibe in Kingston. You know, so maybe I'll go somewhere tonight. I don't know. Or maybe I'll just come back and play some game. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go somewhere and eat my jerk chicken. At least park up somewhere a little bit. Come out of the car and look. There's music playing right there near me. So we'll see what happens, okay? Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Yo, life is kind of boring when you're a loner, you know? Weird to go right here, the kind of vibes right here, so I'm a TJ. The vibes nice right here, so like over there, so have a crew bar, so like it have a vibes. But circle block, yeah man, so ooh, a baddie in a Audi. Me bro, doing real nigga activities. Just now, Froggy. Yeah, put a Pokemon in this. Yeah, spin this first. Yeah, add a Pokemon. You never scan it. Let's see, I'm putting in the Pyro. Okay. Never spin that. Doing real nigga activities. Catching Pokemon. Out here. What is high school? Hardin. Yes, me. Nah, malalai. Yeah.